Here's a run through of the 30-ounce tumbler mock-up. When you open the PSD, you'll be greeted with this black screen. That's just the top layer. You can turn that off with the layer stack here, bottom right, or you can throw the whole layer in the bin. To get your design on there, all you need to do is see this step 1 layer and click the smart object thumbnail here, and step 2, again double click the thumbnail, and then you can see the design open up. So go to File, Place Embedded, and then locate your design. And when you're happy with the positioning, sizing, close it. You'll be prompted to save it. Say yes here, and then you need to close this section. Say yes again, and there will be your design. You can use this scrubber here to give a quick preview, and then when you're ready, click this burger menu, render video. You can use the Adobe Media Encoder and go with these defaults in most cases. All you really need to do here is select a folder to save it to and give it a file name, and then when you're ready, click render. Well, depending on the speed of your machine, this could take a couple of minutes or so. Other things you can do, you can obviously change the background. Turn mine off, but to put your own in, it's probably best to double click this smart object and then go File, Place Embedded, put yours in, and then save this, and say yes when prompted to save. Other things you can do, you can, if you go down to this, oh actually don't go into there, I've made it easy to access from down here. You've got the metal colour you can change. So if you double click that, you can change it to copper or gold, and then do the same for the rim colour. If you want to change the colour of the plastic, just open this folder here and you'll see this layer 1. It's got an effects colour on it, so just double click the colour overlay and change the grey to whatever colour you need. And that, I think, is everything.